morning. And today is Sunday. Today is 19th of April. So I'll be starting the new vlog today. Hi, my name is Anne. I noticed I don't like to introduce myself. I always forget. So my name is Anne, and I've been. Oh my god, I think I have this stuff. Oh my god. Okay, so my name is Anne. I've been away from YouTube for over a year. I think it's almost 2 years. Yeah. So I'm back to vlog in, and please, whenever you see my video, do well to watch, like, comment, and subscribe. Okay. So like I said, today is Sunday. I'm off to church. So this is my outfit of today. It's a dress from my mom's wardrobe anyway, and it has a trouser underneath. This is more like a big top, so it's quite long. It's giving mini boo boo. Because bigger than me. So I'm Anne, by the way. I'm a mom of a toddler, and I'm a YouTuber based in Lagos, Nigeria. I'm a hairstylist. So I'll be dropping my business page for you to like and follow me on Instagram or any of the socials. Alright, so I'm off to church. I'm quite late already. So I'll see you in church. Bye.
That's leveraging up. That's leveraging up. You know, I have some money I put in shares. I bought MTN shares at 2 naira. MTN shares is 10 naira now. They pay dividends of bestie 180. Listen to me. If your friend will not be okay, let them not be okay. What the use of buying that be and for one month and depression?
I'm using a 0.5. Especially before I start, I want to take a little while. Imagine come back from church already taking a call. Hello, good afternoon, everyone, good afternoon, Thursdays. Okay, so sorry the any noise in the background. Generator, the neighbor's generator is on, there's currently no light. And today, how's my day going? My day is going pretty good. Okay, at least I woke up quite early today. I was able to finish home chores very early today because I had a client that came in by 10:14. Appointment was supposed to be 13. She came in by 10:14 to make pixie cuts. And I'm putting the picture of our look. It's also beautiful actually. It looks so good on her. So I'm back to this work. I did not finish last week. So I'm back to it. I'm currently working on it. So I'm trying to like finish all jobs this week because I'm kind of the work mode today. I don't know about the remainder of the week. I just pray I finish all my jobs for this week. Just finish doing jobs for this week because I need to deliver jobs this week. So try and finish the old jobs for this week and start working on new jobs for next week or so. So yeah. I hope your day is going well. As Monday like, because I hate Monday, but I have no choice. I think we all don't have a choice. So see you later. Bye. Yeah.
All it is. All it is. Can I declare? Yes, sir. The appointment will come with ease.
Amen.
I am told that the transaction will be completed with ease.
Amen.
The promotion will come with with ease.
Amen.
The search will happen with ease.
Amen.
In the name of the Lord Jesus.
Amen. Hi, good morning. So look at this skirt my sister actually designed. So normally we know this as yaki skirt, but now I think they are calling it handkerchief skirt or something like that. So this is mine. So I'm doing two colors. Mine is longer. So this is hers. So she used this jean material at the top, and I think I really love it. But I don't want to do something the same as hers, so I decided to. You can leave him, don't worry. So I decided to do something different to play around with two different underwear, which I really love. Don't mind that little man over there. It's really that place. The name of our brand is called Loraro.co. Yeah. She's really good materials. Trust us to deliver. She's gonna deliver the absolute best that I want. Let me go back so you see how it is. So you can see that one is shorter. This is longer. She's giving two different looks and two different vibes. So it's either called the yaki skirt or it's called the handkerchief skirt, whichever one. But I think she's gonna name them, but I don't know which name. Alright, so today's Tuesday. Today's 21st of April. I don't know what's here. Just as I can't finish my work yesterday. It got late and there was no light. So I'll be rounding up with it soon so I can start on the next job after that. So yeah, my hair still looks miserable. I want to even contact my hairstylist to come make my hair for me because I don't like the way it looks. See you later. The light just came on. This light of mine is the one flickering. I need to fix it. One is spoiled and one is bad. Just one working perfectly fine. My son is the one screaming because my niece is feeding him. Anyway, the light is back and let's get right into work. Even the work I'm doing, I don't really need light because I can see with the sunlight, but even still, I'll just put on the AC. So, see you later. Bye. See you later. Bye. Yeah. Hi, good afternoon. So I forgot to I was also excited to open my package. I forgot to vlog this when I got this package. So I bought this from an Instagram vendor. I think Thrift by Esther or something. I think that's her name. So this skirt too, when I just saw it on Africa, I really like this. I think I got it for maybe 12,000 or something. It's thrifted by the way, so that's why there's still some dent. It's really so pretty. It's stainless steel by the way. I love it. It's so cute. So I got this pan. I just saw this pan and I really liked it. I think it's made in Korea. New Flam or something. It's quite big and I wanted something small, but this is good and it's still really clean. Look at how it looks. Why the most exciting part of this package is this baby. So this is a baking glass. Can't really see the name. Okay, I think it's inside. It's Marinex. It's actually the name. It's made in Brazil. So this is what it looks like. It's a very thick glass. So I actually bought it for baking because I love to bake once in a while. And to say the funny thing, I never knew it came with this. I didn't know it was coming with this. I just thought maybe she just placed it on it. I didn't know it was gonna come with this. So definitely I'll be making a mac and cheese with my sister. Oh my god. And maybe bake anything. Because I actually want to quit using baking pan and actually start using the baking glass itself. So
like she has not met everybody this time.
Super cute.
So neat.
And we're not even done yet. I forgot to mention, she hasn't even sewn this off. Like, see, she has not sewn it. I forgot to mention that part. This is so beautiful. She needs a name.
How do you name?
I was there last night. So last night.
Hi, good evening. So I baked banana bread. I have, like, my husband brought in lots of this yesterday. I think it was 3 of this. We've eaten 2, so I just have 1 left, and they're all ripe. I don't want it to get spoiled, so I took some out to bake banana bread. I'm sorry I didn't vlog it. I did not vlog. I didn't even plan on even making. I was just like, okay, what can I do with this banana? And I was craving cake. Actually, I wanted to bake chocolate cake, but like, there is banana. Why don't I not make banana bread when we have excess bananas? So I'm breaking it out of the oven now. Yo. Okay, here's what our banana bread looks like. I added little chocolate cheese and almond nuts to it. So remember I unboxed this yesterday and already used it to bake. That was more reason why I got it, actually, just to bake. So the only issue I have in my oven is I only have fire underneath. I do not have on top to burn this, and my banana bread is ready. Can you see? Like, there is no stain right here. So my banana bread is ready. I don't know, I don't want to have that crispy look on top. So I was thinking of turning it upside down. So I want to try that and see if it's gonna work. But I want the bread to cool a bit. So once it's cooled a bit, I will turn it upside down and put it back into the oven for like maybe 5 to 10 minutes, just for the underneath to look brownish. So that's one little issue of not having or fire up. Oh, what am I even saying? That's just the issue of me not having a fire burning at the top of my oven, just underneath. But this looks so good, so good. To turn this upside down, but I think I broke my cake and my banana bread rather. I'm just used to calling this a cake. I don't think that's a bread. So I'm putting it back into the oven for like 5 to 10 minutes. So let's see what happens, if it's gonna work, and that's finger crossed. I say it's 10 minutes. Let's see what it looks like. Whatever it looks like, I'm just gonna accept. Okay, so let me switch and come back to you guys. Here's what it looks like. It worked. So this is the part that broke, but yay! Even the chocolate cheese was able to melt properly, like melt right into the bread. So here it is. Yay! Got some for myself, my sister, and my niece. And this is my portion, and for my sister as well. We couldn't wait for it to get cold. Oh my god, cereal! Look at this. So good. Hi, hello. So today is good morning. Today is 24th April, Friday. Today's Friday. I have a wedding. I have a wedding to attend. The wedding starts by 11 p.m. African time now. So I'm supposed to leave uh, by 12. Mara is to pick me up by 12. And it's almost 11. I'm supposed to start making up. I just got my dress from the tailor today. Though I gave my tailor my dress very late. I gave her on Tuesday. So she was able to finish it. But I was supposed to pick up yesterday, but she couldn't meet up. So I just put up this morning. So I just want to start doing my makeup. I pray I meet up. That's my our little man dress behind me over there. Just for me able to meet up. I just pray because it's crazy, man. So I'm all dressed up. Look at that little man over there. So I'm all dressed up. Here's what I look. I would have meant to like sweating. This is what I look like. It's my dress. This is straight skirt and this blouse. So sweaty. So I just put up my bob wig. I'm not tying giddy. I think the giddy is right there, but I'm not doing giddy. Yes.
Sun is shining bright. Pack your bags, let's go. Feel the summer light. Chasing dreams, you know. Waves are calling now. Sand beneath our feet. Find the way somehow. Heartbeats in the heat. Oh, we're flying high underneath the sky. Summer nights and days in so many ways. Open roads ahead, wind in our hair, colors turning red. No more need to care. Oh, we're flying high underneath the sky. Summer nights and days in so many ways. Waves are calling out, stand beneath our feet. Find the way somehow, heartbeats in the heat. Oh, we're flying high underneath the sky. Summer nights and days in so many ways. Laughing till we fall, dancing through it all. Magic never fades with each step we make. Oh, we're flying high underneath the sky. Summer nights and days in so many ways. Oh, we're flying high underneath the sky. Summer nights and days in so many ways. Laughing till we fall, dancing through it all. Magic never fades with each step we made.
dancer that you know.
And you will never, ever, ever be apart. Baby, 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 oh, like baby, baby. Baby, baby, baby. I've been running away. Oh, baby, la la. My baby, till la la. So that do anything you want, but don't fall in love with me. Okay, well, next.
Last time I watched my selfie vlog, I was doing ants like it. I don't know, so like it was crazy. Look at that face. Baby boss. You're not the top.